Set sail at dawn, Galveston Bay cruise. Rod in hand, I got nothing to lose. Redfish strike giving me the blues. Speckled trout jumping, I pay my dues. From sunrise till the sunset's glow. Cool up, filling up, man, you know. Out here daily, never too slow. Hooking non-stop, gotta let it show. Captain's Aaron leading the way. Fishing every day we slay. Redfish flounder got no escape. Casting lines and sealing fate. Hey! Wheel spin with the morning breeze flow. Drifting in the tide, letting the stress go. Line sight chasing dreams in the waves. Galveston waters where we brave. Every cast is like a dancing chance. Rod tip bending with the fish's trance. Captain down keeps the vibe alive. In this Angus paradise we thrive. Captain's Aaron leading the way. Fishing every day we slay. Limits to the brink, cooler stays. Casting lines and sealing fate. Hey.